Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and delete applications on your Streamabox 4K. So let's go up to the top and go to the right, and then go to Settings, and scroll on down under here until we get to System. Then we can go to the right, and we can find the category for storage. Go to the internal storage and go to the right, and you can choose the category. So I'm going to go to Apps, and I can see things like Prime Video, YouTube, Google Play Store, etc. So I can go to see all applications right here, and then I can go to the app, and I can go to uninstall, and then go to OK. And it is uninstalled from my on device. So we can scroll through this entire thing, and then we can go to system apps right here, and these are in a different categories. And I believe we cannot delete these, so you can just disable them and uninstall the updates, but those are going to be remaining on your device. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.